DJI Mini2 More Combo. $540 P30K. Ultra-light foldable drone. 31 minutes flight time. OQ-Sync 2.0. Level 5 wind resistance. Water resistance bag. Front pocket for micro SD cards. Inside pocket for your extra accessories. Three sets of extra propellers. One pair extra joysticks. Screwdriver. RC remote controller. Guides or manual. Accessories. Charging hub or charging deck. $18 charger adapter. Three extra cable wires. Type-C charging cable. USB-C to USB-C. Micro USB. Drone. Charging hub or charging deck. This is a two-way charging hub. At the same time, you can use it as a power bank. All three batteries will be charged for 4 to 5 hours estimated time using the 18 watts charger adapter. RC remote controller. Gimbal dial. For additional reference, the 3-axis gimbal of the DJI Mini2 provides stabilization for the camera, allowing you to capture clear and stable image and video. The control tilt range is -90 degrees to +20 degrees. FN button or function button allows you to make a quick adjustment or activate a certain screen. You program how you want this button to respond by choosing from a choice of functions. Shutter or record button. Press once to take photos or start or stop recording a video. Photo or video toggle. Press once to switch between photo and video mode. Power button. Press once to check the current battery level. Press once and then hold to power the remote controller on and off. Flight pause or return to home RTH button. Press once to make the aircraft brake and hover only when GPS or downward vision system are available. Press and hold the button to initiate RTH. The aircraft returns to the last updated home point. Press again to cancel RTH. Joysticks and joystick slots. To control the drone. And storage for the joysticks. Flight mode switch. Switch between cinematic, normal, and sports mode. Mobile device holder. Used to securely mount the mobile device to the remote controller. Remote controller cable. Connect to a mobile device for video linking via the remote controller cable. Select the cable according to your mobile device. Antennas. Relay aircraft control and wireless signals. Drone. The DJI Mini2 has a 12-megapixel camera, 20-form camera lens, and it can shoot up to 4K resolution for 30 FPS, to 0.7K resolution for 60 FPS, and 1080 resolution for 60 FPS. And it can also take a photo for JPEG plus RAW. Gimbal cover. Reminder: always remove the gimbal cover before turning on the drone. Propeller holder. LED light. This drone weighs for about 249 grams. But the total weight of this drone is 239 grams with the battery, so that you still have the chance to put accessories for your drone. If the drone exceeds 249 grams, you have to take exams and license to fly a drone. USB-C charging port and micro SD card slot, where you can charge your drone directly, and where the SD card is inserted. Battery compartment. You will see your battery in the back of your drone. And to take out your drone, you have to squeeze it and pull straight out. On and off power button. To turn on and off the drone, you're going to press and press again and hold. Sensors. These are gonna tell you how close you are to the ground. And that pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing of the DJI Mini2. And I hope you learned something about this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow to all my social media accounts. See you on my next video. Thank you and God bless.